See your driver's license, please. All right, one Bippity Slope. I work for the Pinal County Sheriff's Office Traffic Unit. Any idea why I might have stopped you today? The reason is you got no mud flaps. So you have a lifted truck, you have no mud flaps. So today we're gonna look at mud flaps. The reason I stopped you is your pickup truck's lifted. You don't have any mud flaps. You don't have any mud flaps. So you know you gotta have mud flaps on there.
Hey guys, Rich here from Tacoma Network, and this will be my unbox, install, and quick review of the brand new RekGen sliding mud flaps for the Toyota Tacoma. These ultra premium USA made mud flaps fully adjust to fit any upgrade in tire size or offset on your 3rd gen Tacoma without any modification. They even adjust perfect for the stock tire size. These made to order flaps arrived pretty quickly, ordering right off their website. You can choose either front only, rear only, or the full set, all of which you can choose 5 color options for the RekGen logo in black, red, white, gray, or blue. They arrived well packed, but nothing that the USA made ProTech Mordax can't handle. Inside the box, you'll get a RekGen decal, a product card including QR code for instructions and after-purchase support, slider to mud flap assembly diagram, front hardware, flap to bracket hardware, rear hardware, and slider slot brackets. The main slider brackets are made from stainless steel, are laser cut, and then powder coated with a unique texture to prevent scratches. You'll have 4 mounting holes at the bottom for the actual flap, along with 2 sliding holes at the top for the front brackets, and 3 sliding holes on the rear brackets. These sliding holes allow the mud flap to be custom positioned on your truck dependent on the tire size and wheel offset. The poly flaps are thick at nearly 1/4 inch. They have that great reinforced mesh at the bottom with the RG logo. I picked the gray. There's riveted construction to minimize anything protruding from the flap. These are made for each specific wheel on your truck with the RG logo facing out. Passenger rear and front, driver front and rear. Setting these up for assembly, the flaps will match the brackets as far as the angle. Just remember the fronts have 2 slots and the rears have 3 slots. You'll need a 1/8 inch hex wrench and 3/8 inch open wrench for tools. I hand assembled them to get them started, then zip them together with my pocket impact. Very easy assembly. All 4 are assembled, but let's compare the stock OEM Tacoma flaps to the RekGen sliders. Size-wise, the RekGens are about 11 inches wide, and the OEM are about 10 inches wide. The RekGens are about 22 inches in length, where the OEMs are about 17 inches in length. If you match up the 2 flaps, the RekGens will hang down about 1 inch lower than the OEMs. One big advantage of the RekGens are their flexibility versus the OEMs' somewhat rigid molded plastic, which are prone to break. Here's an odd fact: the OEMs are actually made in USA. Now, let's get these things fully installed. You'll need just a 10mm wrench to ditch the OEMs and a 3/8 inch wrench to install your new ones. Starting on the front, with your 10mm wrench, remove the 3 bolts holding the flap to the inside of the front wheel well. I didn't realize it on this one, but there's also a 10mm bolt holding it on the underside of the chassis, which just pulled out as I removed the flap. Installing the RekGen requires a bit of coordination with the 2 pieces of hardware on the bolt, which attaches through the flap into the wheel well. You'll want the bolt, the round washer, and then the slot bracket in that order. After the first one, the rest are easy. I'm installing these on a stock tire, so I have the slider set all the way in. The slot brackets are meant to not only provide extra grip with how they're angled, but also cover the holes of the slider slot. I tightened them down with my 3/8 inch wrench in increments until they were fully tight. On the rear, you'll be removing 4 bolts in the wheel well and that sneaky one on the underside. I figured this one out this time. I mounted the rear here in the same fashion as the front, but fully extended. You can see just how far these can extend out to help protect your truck. They have plenty of room for really wide tires, fully extended. It makes my skinny ass stock tires look like they came off of a Corolla. As for the slot brackets, they hide the slot holes nicely on the underside of the wheel well. But back to reality with my stock tires. 3 screws, washers, and slot brackets, and I tightened down once again in increments till fully tight. So, what are my thoughts on these? They're very well constructed using the best materials. I was skeptical with the mounting system being the 2 bolts in the front and the 3 in the back, but they're held on solid with these slot brackets. The offset of the brackets will help you get into the largest size tire without interruption of the mud flap and the wheel well. The flaps have some flex once mounted, so no more issues with cracking a stock mud flap out on the trail or if you're doing some curb hopping. The color options are great, but I chose poorly as I thought the gray would have matched my Lunar Rock better. Being colorblind does have its disadvantages. Pricing is a bit high even for made in USA, but what isn't these days? Overall, these are a huge win for anyone with a lifted truck or oversized tires. Whether you travel dirt roads often or like to keep the road grime off your fenders, these are the Porsche of mud flaps. Well, that's my look at the new RekGen sliding mud flaps for the Toyota Tacoma. But what are your thoughts? Would you buy these? Do you even run mud flaps on your truck? Leave a comment on down below. As always, if you like the video, there's a button for that, and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps the channel. Till next time, my name is Rich. Thanks for watching.